Hey, this will be a video chart on RAMO. Very popular stock, and rightfully so. Chart's been making a big move today. It finally acted human a little bit, but it maintained the support levels, that you would want to see it hold. So it's hanging in there, and still has some work to do now as it goes through this consolidation. But overall, I'm sure not too many people are complaining for those that bought during this period here. So with the video, we're just going to go over some supports and resistances and what you want to see and what you don't want to see. So we'll start off with the supports and the ideal support level, meaning ideally you like to see it hold but doesn't have to. Did end up holding today, and that level is based at 0.049. I am simply getting this from a previous high that it put in over here when it had this big volume day. This is where the profit takers decided to step in. And then obviously you can see when it broke right here, a big move followed. But like I said, this is just the ideal level, meaning if it doesn't hold, no need to go and freak out. So I'll just leave that line skinny to represent that. The more crucial level of support that we're going to want to see hold is these moving averages here. They will continue to change, so a better way to go about that is just kind of mapping out a level that won't be changing over time. And for that, I'm going to move the must hold, as I'll call it, support level to right here at 0.032. I'll explain where I get that from first, but I want to make this line extra thick to represent this being the must hold level. And I am pulling this from, you can see there was a couple highs here where it acted as support or resistance. And then when the price did break through it here, you can see the price back tested it right there. Good job and good example of resistance turning into support, and then basically the trampoline effect right from there. So 0.032 will be the must hold support level, and it should make sense. I mean, if you think about it, if the price were to drop all the way back down here, and if this is a truly strong move, then people should be loving the chance to be able to get shares right there. Now, in terms of resistance levels, chart's pretty easy from that perspective, just because it's essentially in a blue sky breakout. Obviously today's high is going to be considered a resistance, and that's just because we don't have anything else to go by. I am going to leave this a skinny red line because I think that with any sort of volume push upwards again, this level up at 0.067 isn't going to put up too much of a fight. And the last thing I want to end on is just to keep your eye on this volume. It was a pullback day and volume was less than the big breakout day here, which is a good sign. But if price continues to go sideways or down, you want to see this volume continue to shrink down here. You do not want to see volume increase during any sort of consolidation period. The lower the volume, the better during any sort of sideways or downwards action. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was RAMO. Thanks for listening.